Welcome to TMI Truck and Equipment in Norfolk, Virginia. What we have today is the Isuzu NPRHD. This is 14,500 pound capacity truck. It has a GMC gas V8 engine with the Allison automatic transmission. So you don't have a complicated diesel exhaust system to maintain. You don't have to worry about cleaning a DPF filter. The rear bumper is a full width step bumper for easy access in and out of the truck. We can put on a ramp, a lift gate, or a hitch if you want. The interior of the body is full plywood lining with 2 rows of E-track, so you can safely secure your cargo and protect the side of the body from any damage. The truck has a 38-gallon between the frame rail fuel tank and a 14,000 pound rear axle package. The exhaust system is protected by a cat cage that will reduce the chance of your exhaust system getting stolen from the truck. This is an added feature that we put on for you. The cab of the truck is a 3-person cab with seat covers over the seats so that it reduces the chance of seats getting torn, and you can take them off and wash them in a washing machine when they get excessively dirty. This truck does have a built-in camera system in the stereo, so that is already installed. When you put the truck in reverse, it turns off the stereo and activates the rear camera. This truck is in stock for immediate sale. Give us a call so you can come see it today.